Welcome back to MVP Auto Update Hub, your go-to channel for the latest in automotive news, reviews, and updates. Today, we've got something really special for you, the all-new 2025 Hyundai Equinox. This SUV has been making waves in the automotive world, and we're here to give you an in-depth look at what makes this vehicle stand out. So, buckle up, and let's dive right in. Cut to a close-up shot of the 2025 Hyundai Equinox's front grille, slowly panning to the side to reveal the entire vehicle. First things first, let's talk about the design. The 2025 Hyundai Equinox has undergone a complete redesign, and it's looking sharper than ever. The front grille is bold and aggressive, with sleek LED headlights that give it a modern, futuristic look. The body lines are more pronounced, giving the Equinox a sporty yet sophisticated appearance. And those alloy wheels, absolutely stunning. Step inside and check out the interior. Hyundai has really stepped up their game with the 2025 Equinox. The cabin is spacious, with premium materials throughout. The seats are incredibly comfortable, and there's plenty of legroom for both front and rear passengers. Plus, the panoramic sunroof lets in tons of natural light, making the interior feel even more open and airy. The tech inside the 2025 Equinox is top-notch. You've got a fully digital instrument cluster, a large touchscreen infotainment system with wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, and a premium sound system that delivers crystal-clear audio. There's also a wireless charging pad, multiple USB ports, and even a Wi-Fi hotspot to keep everyone connected. And let's not forget about the advanced safety features. The 2025 Equinox comes equipped with Hyundai's latest Smart Sense suite, which includes adaptive cruise control, lane keeping assist, blind spot monitoring, and automatic emergency braking. It's packed with everything you need to stay safe on the road. Now, let's talk performance. The 2025 Hyundai Equinox offers a range of engine options, including a turbocharged 1.6-liter four-cylinder, a more powerful 2.0-liter turbo, and even a hybrid variant for those looking to save on fuel. All engines are paired with a smooth shifting automatic transmission, and you can opt for either front-wheel drive or all-wheel drive, depending on your needs. So, what's the verdict? The 2025 Hyundai Equinox is a fantastic choice for anyone in the market for a compact SUV. It's stylish, packed with tech, and offers a comfortable ride with plenty of power. Whether you're commuting to work, heading out on a road trip, or just running errands around town, the Equinox has got you covered. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to MVP Auto Update Hub for more awesome car reviews and updates. Hit that notification bell so you never miss a video. Until next time, drive safe and stay tuned.